Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are looking for the ultimate dashcam for the holiday season, the dashcam G980H might just be the best Black Friday deal you can get your hands on. Whether you are thinking about a gift for a family member or just upgrading your own car safety setup for the winter, this camera is packed with features that make it stand out from the crowd. Let's kick things off with the star of the show, its 4K camera paired with a 1080p rear camera. Whether you are driving through snowy roads this winter or taking a family road trip during the holidays, the G980H captures every detail in stunning clarity. Powered by a Sony IMX415 sensor, the front camera provides true 4K quality, which means not only you can record the beautiful winter landscapes, but you can also count on high quality footage even on dark icy roads. The rear 1080p camera isn't just an afterthought. Either it gives you a clear view of what's happening behind you, adding an extra layer of security. Winter driving can be unpredictable, especially with lower visibility and icy conditions. That's where the G980H USB night vision really shines. This feature ensures that even in the darkest conditions, you will still get the clear footage. It's perfect for those early sunsets we all experience in winter and ensures your safety isn't compromised when you're driving at night. The dashcam G980H isn't just about recording your drive, it's about actively helping you stay safe with its ADAS or Advanced Driver Assistance System. Whether you are heading out for holiday shopping or a long winter road trip, these alerts can make all the difference. The camera will notify you if the car in front of you moves or you are not paying attention, a handy feature in stop and go holiday traffic. It also warns you if you are getting too close to the vehicle in front at higher speeds, helping prevent rear-end collisions. And if you start drifting out of your lane, especially in snowy or slippery conditions, the lane departure warning system will give you a warning to correct your path. There's also a pedestrian collision warning, which can detect people up to 33 feet away, making city driving or navigating busy parking lots a lot safer. On those long holiday drives, fatigue can sneak up on you. That's why the G980H includes a driver fatigue reminder. If the camera senses that you have been driving for too long without a break, it will remind you to pull over and rest, something that's incredibly important during those marathon holiday road trips. Another standout feature is the built-in GPS with Google Maps integration. Not only you can record your routes, but you will also have the exact location and speed data to back up any incidents. This can be incredibly useful for insurance purposes or even just to keep a record of your holiday travels. And let's talk about winter conditions for a second. The G980H is built with a durable supercapacitor instead of a standard battery, which means it's designed to perform even in extreme temperatures, perfect for winter driving. Whether it's a frosty morning or a bitterly cold night, the supercapacitor ensures your dashcam will function without a hitch, making it ideal for those who live in colder climates. Another reason this is the perfect Black Friday or Cyber Monday deal is the seamless setup. The G980H comes with a static sticker for installation, leaving no residue on your windshield. It also supports up to 6 lanes of coverage with its 170° front and 150° rear wide-angle cameras. You get maximum visibility without sacrificing any ease of use. With everything you need in the box, front and rear cameras, a 64GB micro SD card, a car charger, and even an installation pre-bar, it's ready to go right out of the package. If you are someone who loves to stay connected, the dual-band Wi-Fi feature will be a game changer. With 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi, you can transfer your videos faster than ever before. Whether you are capturing that winter wonderland or just backing up important footage, you won't have to wait forever for the files to transfer. Plus, it even connects to your smartphone app via Bluetooth, giving you easy access to video playback and settings. Speaking of the video, the dashcam G980H offers emergency protection with automatic video locking. If it detects a sudden movement or collision thanks to its built-in G sensor, the camera will lock the footage, ensuring it won't get overwritten. This is crucial for those unpredictable winter road conditions where accidents are most likely to happen. And with loop recording, you don't have to worry about running out of space. It continuously records and overwrites the oldest files, ensuring you always have the most recent footage. However, with support for up to 256GB storage and a 64GB card already included, you will have plenty of space for your holiday travels and winter driving. To sum it up, the dashcam G980H offers a perfect combination of safety, ease of use, and a high-quality recording that makes it the ideal gift for anyone in your family or yourself this holiday season. It's the best Friday deal for those looking for peace of mind during winter driving. From its true 4K front camera to the wide-angle coverage, ADAS features, night vision and easy installation, this dashcam is a must-have. If you want to stay safe on the road and capture every detail, don't miss out on the dashcam G980H this Black Friday or Cyber Monday. Give the gift of safety this Christmas because there's no better way to say you care than ensuring your loved ones are protected on the road. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more product reviews and tips to make life a little easier. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.